So I have been visiting my mother today. I really enjoyed it. We spent some time together and we were talking about food. I told her I was gonna make some mashed potatoes tonight. She informed me there is a trick to making mashed potatoes, and I'll let you in on that secret here shortly. And also, she told me my grandmother made them differently. And when she told me what she used, I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try that. So let's go ahead and get started on these mashed potatoes.
I have 4 medium potatoes. Go ahead and peel those. Wash them thoroughly and make sure there's no dark spots in them. And now we are going to dice them. Go ahead and throw them in a pan. Cover them with water. And now we are going to boil these on medium heat. I didn't time this, but I'm guessing about 30 minutes. And if you place a wooden spoon on top of your pan, this keeps it from boiling over. I'm guessing these cooked for about 30 minutes. You will know these are done when you stick a fork in a potato and it breaks apart. Now we are going to take these over to the sink, pour them into a strainer. Now you want to make sure you strain all the water off of these potatoes. Dump them into a mixing bowl. Grab a can of evaporated milk. This is what my grandmother used instead of milk. Start with a half a cup and we are going to put that in the microwave for 1 minute and get it warm. And while that's heating up, go ahead and add a half a stick of butter. I did cut this into pats. Give it a stir. Now we're going to add the evaporated milk and turn that mixer on while everything's good and warm. My mother makes the fluffiest mashed potatoes ever, and she says the key is to make sure your milk is warm and to run your mixer until they're fluffy. Cut that mixer off and add some pepper. I like lots of pepper in my potatoes. Add some salt. Turn your mixer back on and we are going to let this run for about 2 to 3 more minutes until your potatoes are nice and fluffy.
I'm not gonna lie, I cleaned the beaters off and the spatula as well, and I'm here to tell you these taste amazing. And they're pretty too. These mashed potatoes are actually my daughter Amy's favorite. So this recipe's for you, Amy.